Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today I want to share my experience regarding repairing this blender grinder, and you can see it is not working properly. If I put the plug in the socket, you will learn the sound, and you can see the series bulb is showing, and the motor is not running. So let me first of all open it, and I will show you the internal mechanism or internal part of this motor. So please keep in touch with me. Let me pause the video to open the screws of this blinder. So guys, you can see I have just opened this blinder, and you can see the defect or the fault is in this shaft. You can see the movement of this. Let me show you if I can. So by a single hand, let me fix the cam and then I will show you. So now I think you can see it, that you can see the shaft. This bush is damaged one. You can see the shaft is, the play of the shaft you can see here and there. That's why the motor is not running. So to repair it is looking more difficult to buy a new one. So I will try my level best to repair it, but I don't think so to have bushes like this in the market. That's why we cannot repair it. And this motor or this grinder is let me say it, trashed. So let me pause it and open it further, or I will forward this video. So keep in touch with me. I think the wire winding is also damaged here. You can see the motor is heat up, and there is not a single issue of bush. The color of the winding, you can see here it is looking golden, and here you can see it is dark brown or something like black one. So it's not possible to make it, or it is very expensive to repair it. So let us trash it, and that's all for my video, and I hope you can understand or learn the process of opening it. And sometime, as you can see in my other videos, there is a very simple issue, like a cord of the damage of this cord. Sometime a very minor issue to removing of any connection. So you should not trash these kind of household appliances. You can just open it, and then if you think that like this motor is not repairable, now you can trash it. So but without opening it, many times there are minor issue of a cord or a shoe to replace it, and I have shown in my other videos. So this motor is not repairable, or it is a lot expensive to repair it, and we have to serve a lot of efforts to repair it. So it is better to buy a new one, because it has finished its guarantee or warranty, and its life is around about finished. So that's all for my video, and I hope you would like my videos. And if my videos help you, so please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any sort of question or query, please comment me. I will try my level best to reply you. So bye bye for now.